In this video, we are going to look at multiplying a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. We will do this using compact column multiplication. The equation we're going to look at solving is 3,892 multiplied by 73. The first step in solving this equation is to write out our two numbers that we're multiplying together with the large number on top of the smaller number. We then check two numbers we've written out are the same in the question, and we check the operation. I then draw a line underneath the equation, leaving a blank row. This row will be used for the additional tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s or 100,000s that I need to carry over. I feel like we're good to start now. The first thing we need to solve is 3 times 3,892. First times table we look to solve then is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and we put 6 in the ones column. We then solve 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27, so we have 27 tens. We put a 7 in the tens column, and we exchange the 20 tens for 2 hundreds. Next, we solve 3 times 8, or 3 times 800. 3 times 8 is 24. We add on the additional 2 hundreds we have to make 26 hundreds. Put 6 hundreds here, and we exchange 20 of those hundreds for 2 thousands. Finally, we need to solve the times table 3 times 3, or 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Add the extra 2 thousands to those 9 thousands makes 11,000. We have the 1,000 from that in here. The additional 10,000, we don't have another equation or times table to solve, so we bring that 10,000 down. I now cross out these smaller digits because I don't want to get confused when I add up my columns at the end of the equation. Right, so next I need to solve 70 times 3,892. The first step here is to put a 0 in the ones column. This acts as a placeholder and now means that our answer will effectively be times by 10. So we can look at solving 3,892 multiplied by 7. So firstly, we do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. We have 14 tens, so we put 4 in the tens column, exchange 10 of those tens for 100. Next we solve 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Add 1 makes 64. We exchange 60 of those hundreds for 6 thousands. Next we do 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. We add the 6 thousands we already have onto 56 to make 62. Put our 2 thousands in there and 6 10,000s in the 10,000 column. Finally, we solve 7 times 3, which makes 21. Have 21 10,000s, add 6 10,000s makes 27. We exchange 20 of those 10,000s for 200,000s. Now we're ready to add down our columns. But before we do that, I'm just going to cross out the smaller digits. So I know I need to add 6, add 0 first of all. 7 add 4 next makes 11. 6, we don't add this one. Add 4, add this one, makes 11. 1 add 2 add 1 makes 4. 1 add 7 makes 8. And finally 2 add nothing makes 2. So our answer, 284,116.